Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be soaking some raisins, and I'll be using golden raisins. So let's get started. Alright, so the alcohol that I'll be using is some rum, Bacardi rum, and some moscato. I'm not using too much of that, but just enough. If you're using this pint like I am, you want to reserve a little bit of it because I am making these raisins for a round 2 recipe. So I'm going to put my raisins down in here. I won't need this many for the round 2, but I might need it for something else later on. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a whole mason jar of my raisins. Let me at least get it to the line. Alright. Yeah, that's pretty much enough. So now I'm going to pour my rum down in here. Alright, so I'm going to put my rum down in here. Some people put spice down in with their raisins, but because of the round 2 recipe that I'm doing with these raisins, I can't add any spice in here. And I can't wait for you guys to see what I'm doing. Yeah, you want to completely, oh, look at me spilling it. You want to completely submerge your raisins. I'm probably going to shake it up a bit. I'm going to leave this in the refrigerator overnight or whenever I get to the round 2 recipe. And these are the raisins we'll be using. Alright, so I shook it up a bit after I tightened the top so it could really get in there. I can't wait to use this. It's going to be so good. I'm not going to use the liquid. The liquid is just to preserve the raisins once they're drunken. And then I'm just going to strain it out and we're going to use them. So this video is quick and fast. I hope you guys soak your raisins and get ready for part 2. So you guys could go along with this with me. So, yep. And I'll see y'all next time on my next video. Bye.